Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make a super easy and super tasty chili cheese dip. It's 4 ingredients, and all you need is a block of cream cheese, some sour cream, a can of chili, and some cheddar, or I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. So that's all it takes. I'm going to throw this all together. I'm going to let it go for about an hour on high. Putting a cup of sour cream in. Putting a whole can of chili in. And then I'm going to put about a cup of cheddar cheese in there. Okay, that's it. That's all it takes. It's on high. I'm going to leave it in here for an hour, and then when it's done, we'll stir it up and I'll show you what it looks like.